Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer Google Photos backup to another Google account. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Google Photos app. And after that, as you can see right there, these are the photos that is in my backup account. But the thing is, I want to transfer it to another account, but I don't know how. So if that is you, then all you have to do is to click this the check button right here on the bottom, then select all the photos that you want to transfer to another account. Then the next thing that we need to do is to click this share button right here. After that, you can create a link so that anyone who will click this link right here will be redirected to all of your photos. Or what you could do is to drag this button right here and then click more right here and then search for the email of your Google account, another Google account that you want to share your pictures with. So this is my account that I want to share my photos with. Then after that, click next and then click send right there. And then as you can see, all of the backed up image that we have saved in our account is now transferred to another Google account. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.